Okay, this isn't no joke. Look, am I dressed? No, I'm dressed because I've been looking at property all day today. And I got this job just a second ago to come and remove this fridge. So, whoa, it's heavy. Oh, this thing smells. It's like there's something in it. Anyway, I was close by, so I decided to pick it up. Whoa, it's got water in it and everything. Well, this thing stinks. Whew. Little stuff here. Anyway, so now that's gross. I'm gonna just put it right here. All right, so I gotta get it in the truck. And I'm gonna tell you something, this thing is heavy. But I am going downhill, so I'm kind of on a hill here, so that's the good part. Let's see if I can get it in on the first try. I gotta get a little closer. Here we go. Shouldn't be that bad to lift up. There we go. Whew. I'm gonna tell you something. That thing was heavy. Thank God I work out. We just started working out.